Today we'll be making my version of boiling crab's whole shebang. You'll need Old Bay seasoning, Cajun seasoning, lemon pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, sugar, and Louisiana hot sauce. Boil half a pound of baby potatoes for roughly 15 minutes. Next, dice up roughly 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Melt 3 sticks of butter in a separate saucepan. After the potatoes have been boiling for roughly 15 minutes, add 2 pounds of peeled or unpeeled shrimp depending on your preference. Boil just until the shrimp turns pink. Cook some sausage. On medium to low heat, add garlic and allow it to cook for 30 seconds. Add the shrimp and potatoes after draining. When it comes to seasoning, you can simply eyeball the amount by adding enough seasoning mentioned in the beginning of the video to create a thin top layer for each spice, and then add a few squirts of hot sauce at the end. Don't forget to add the sausage. Next, mix over medium heat for roughly 1 minute. You don't want to cook it for too long or else the shrimp will come out tasting rubbery. So this is the finished product. Save some money next time and try making this at home. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching my video. If you found this useful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.